build your personality by choice. You think your habits, your reactions, your identity are you. But what if they aren't?
What if who you are today was shaped by one moment you don't even remember, a split second in childhood that rewired how you see the world? One look of disappointment, one harsh word, one moment you felt unsafe, and your brain quietly decided, never let that happen again. That decision became your personality, and it's still running your life. Every child learns one thing before they learn to read: how to stay safe. If love felt uncertain, you learned to become pleasing. If attention came only when you achieved, you became a perfectionist. If anger exploded in your house, you became careful, quiet, invisible. You thought it was survival, but it became identity. Now, years later, you still repeat the same strategy, even when there's no danger left. Psychologists call these micro-traumas, small moments with massive echoes. They don't break you, they bend you, just slightly, until one day you wake up and wonder why every relationship feels the same, why every success still feels hollow, why peace always slips away. It's because the emotion you avoided back then is still running your system now. Ask yourself, why do I apologize so fast? Why do I chase people who pull away? Why do I panic when someone is silent? That's not adult logic. That's your inner child still negotiating safety. You're not too emotional. You're remembering. Healing doesn't mean erasing the past. It means finally meeting the part of you that was left alone with it. Sit with the feeling you avoid, the fear of being ignored, the pressure to be perfect, the shame of not being enough. Don't fight it. Listen, because that emotion isn't your enemy. It's the messenger that's been knocking for years. When you see the pattern, you take back control. You realize you were never broken, just programmed. And the moment you understand the program, it loses power. So the real question isn't, what happened to me? It's, what belief did that moment plant inside me? Find that belief and rewrite it. Because once you do, you stop reacting from your past and start living from your truth. In the next video, we'll explore how your attachment style forms and why you're drawn to people who recreate your earliest wounds. Subscribe and start remembering the moments your mind tried to forget.